Welcome back to the channel AF Car Reviews. Today, we're diving into a detailed review of the 2025 Maruti Zen LXI, a compact hatchback that blends practicality with a modern touch. If you're looking for an affordable, efficient, and stylish city car, stay tuned as we explore its exterior, interior, performance, and pricing. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Zen LXI maintains a simple yet sleek design, perfect for urban streets. The new front fascia gets a refreshed grille with a chrome-accented design, complemented by sharp-looking halogen headlamps. The bumper is redesigned for a more aerodynamic look, and the fog lamp housings give it a sportier stance. On the sides, you get body-colored door handles and RVMs, while the 13-inch steel wheels with wheel covers complete the budget-friendly yet practical aesthetic. The rear profile remains clean, featuring a compact tailgate and revised taillights that enhance visibility. Step inside, and you'll find a functional and ergonomic cabin that prioritizes space and comfort. The dashboard layout is simple yet intuitive, with a dual-tone finish adding a premium touch for its segment. The instrument cluster remains analog with a small digital MID for essential driving information. The Zen LXI comes with a basic infotainment system featuring Bluetooth connectivity and USB support, ensuring you stay connected on the go. Seating comfort is decent, with fabric upholstery and adjustable front headrests, while the rear seats offer enough space for two adults comfortably. Storage options include a decent-sized glove box, cup holders, and door pockets, making it practical for everyday use. Under the hood, the 2025 Maruti Zen LXI is powered by a 1.0-liter, 3-cylinder petrol engine, delivering around 67 horsepower and 90 Nm of torque. It's mated to a 5-speed manual transmission, ensuring smooth gear shifts and optimal fuel efficiency. Speaking of efficiency, Maruti claims an impressive mileage of around 22 kmpl, making it a great choice for budget-conscious buyers. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, absorbing city bumps with ease, and the light steering ensures effortless maneuverability in tight spaces. Now let's talk pricing. The 2025 Maruti Zen LXI is expected to start at around 4.5 Indian rupees lakh, ex-showroom, making it one of the most affordable hatchbacks in its segment. If you're looking for a no-nonsense city car with great mileage, low maintenance costs, and Maruti's trusted reliability, the Zen LXI is definitely worth considering. What do you think about this car? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more car reviews.